Automating support ticketing and prioritization is an incredibly powerful thing in your business. The quicker that you can respond to customers, the lower your churn rate, the better the responses that you get, and the more sort of lifetime value that you get from your customers, and also the less disputes that you're going to get. So I'm going to show you how you can automate your customer service using an AI that has access to all of your company data, can basically gather these support tickets, prioritize them, categorize them, and notify you of high priority support tickets, all at the same time as managing frequently asked questions from your customers. So you no longer need to spend time sending out annoying emails to hundreds of customers. So I'm going to give you a walkthrough of how this support ticketing works. And this is an example support ticket that I've received. I sent myself in my business, right? And you can see here, I can see the user's name. I've just called them test, the number of tickets this user's given me, and also the amount of time this support ticket has been active for. You can see here their email, when they first sent that in, so they sent it in yesterday, and also the support ticket. Now, what's happened here is as somebody submits a support ticket, and I'll show you how they can submit and how you can set this up in a minute. Once they submit their support ticket, the AI is going to categorize this, so it's a high priority one because they need to cancel their subscription. They can't log in, and they've got multiple exclamation marks, so they're getting pretty angry. So we can understand the emotion of the customer. It also knows that this is a problem with their account, so I can categorize them here. I can filter by category. I can only work on suggestions, for example, or account problems. Where was it? Here we go. No, it wasn't. It was this one. Cool. So now what I can do is I can actually reply to this support ticket, and I can see the conversation that they've had with our chatbot. So the chatbot has access to all the information on our website, and it's able to answer their frequently asked questions. But at this point, this person's asking how can they cancel their subscription, and they've asked, why should they use ChatIQ? And it's then processed the support ticket for us. So let's say, for example, I now want to process and deal with the support ticket, but I don't have much time. So I'm going to use an AI to respond to this saying, please get the customer's email for us to complete this ticket. And I'm going to send this to the AI. The AI is going to use my company data. So this chatbot is scraped on my website. It's going to use that to draft out an email response, and it's going to tell the person that they need to provide their email address associated with their account so we can process it. Then all I need to do is put in my name, and I can now send an email response. If I click on Gmail, for example, it's going to take a second to load. Then it's going to open up Gmail Google Workspace, and it's going to use my default Gmail account, and it's going to process it's going to basically just populate an email reply that I can just send directly. So as long as I'm logged into my default Gmail, it will just send it directly out, and I don't need to do anything. So you can see just how quickly I've dealt with that customer support ticket. I can then close it, and now I've dealt with that ticket. So I want to give you an example here of one that I managed to deal with very, very quickly. Oh no, hang on, maybe it's not in this account. Anyway, so that is how you can gather your support tickets. Now, for example, let's say I want to make sure that I'm receiving notifications based on these support tickets, and I want to make sure that these notifications are high priority emails. So anything that's high priority, I want to know about. Anything that's low priority or medium priority, I don't care about. So high priority ones will usually be things like refunds, disputes, cancellations, and highly urgent tickets. And now what's going to happen when somebody submits a support ticket, I'm going to get a notification email on my phone that's going to tell me about that support ticket. It's going to give me the ticket information, so who it's from, their email address, the questions that they have, and all of that information. And I can then log into my ChatIQ account, and I can deal with that support ticket. Cool. So how do we set this up? Well, first thing we need to do is head to our website, chatiq.ai. The link is down below in the description, so it's very easy for you to find it. You can start a free trial, so you get 2 weeks to trial this for free, and then it's $30 a month after that. And you can build as many real-time customer support agents as you want, and it basically builds us a chatbot for our website that looks like this. So let me just refresh the page for you. So we can custom brand it with our logo, we can give it our own sort of title information, we can change the text on these. When we ask it to, so people can get answers to frequently asked questions if they want to, or they can come onto our website and just process and submit a support ticket. But I want to show you an example of where they can submit a support ticket directly within the chat. So let's say they're having a conversation with a chatbot and they're just saying, what is ChatIQ? They're trying to get some information about that chatbot, and then they suddenly decide that they want to cancel my subscription. it's now going to, in every single response, it's going to read my website, and you can see how quick it is at responding. It's going to read every page on my website. It's going to find out how they can cancel their subscription, so they can log in, they can go to manage plans, scroll down to the pricing page and click on cancel subscription. However, if they want to and they want any further assistance, they can submit a support ticket directly within the chat. This customer's got a problem with their account. I'm just going to put in like test@gmail.com. And then I can actually give extra information about what my problem is, and I can also upload an image if I want to. Once I've done that, it will then process my support tickets. Let's just do an example. Give me a refund immediately, right? So theoretically, the AI should class this as a high priority ticket. Once I've done that, I can return to the chat and I can continue talking to it. And like I say, it basically learns over time from multiple users' questions. Let me show you the support ticket. So you can see, they're getting real-time customer support. Like, this is about as quick and instant as it can be. That's like probably less than a second to get a response on their question. Okay, so I've just got an email. So I've set up notifications for high priority support tickets. I've just received an email notification. It came through on my phone. I don't know if you guys will be able to see it. No, you probably won't. It came through on my phone, so I know there's been a support ticket that's come through. I can see here, you've received a high priority support ticket. I can see the category, so it's an account problem. They want a refund. And the ticket subject, you'll notice, right, the customer didn't actually give me any information on what it is other than I want a refund. So the AI has categorized it, and it's also given us a subject. So we know what it is at a quick glance. We've got their email, and we can log in and manage that ticket. So if we actually have a look at the dashboard within ChatIQ, we can go into here and we can see that has just come through, classed as a high priority support ticket today. I can click on that support ticket. 5 minutes this has been active for, and let's say we're going to reply to this ticket. Let me just refresh the page because it's using the previous response. Cool, so let's reply to it. And we're just going to suggest a response. And if we don't like the response that the AI has generated, we can just edit it as we want. It's asked for the order number, the product name, specific issue, and reason behind requesting a refund. I'm going to put in the name as Sebastian. And then we're going to just click on send. I'm going to send that to Gmail. That's going to load up in a matter of seconds. And now we can just send out that email. We can come back and we can close that support ticket. So now, within a matter of seconds, we have received this is a fast response time. In 2 seconds, we managed to respond to this customer. We dealt with their support ticket, and now hopefully that customer is going to enjoy our product a lot more. They're going to get, they're not going to leave a bad review. They're not going to dispute their payments, and hopefully, it's going to improve our business, and it's going to save us a lot of time. And like I say, you can also see if you open this up. Let's just reopen this ticket and have a look. Right, you can see the conversation that it's had, and this is here. This is the exact same conversation that we had. Let's just return to the chat. You can see what is ChatIQ, cancel my subscription, why should I use and why should I use it? And here, what is ChatIQ, cancel, why should I use it, why should I use it? So I can see the conversation that they've been having with the chatbot before I've responded to it. So I can see a little bit of extra context and detail. So you can set your own up very, very easily. I've trained this on my website data, so you can scrape an entire website and you can pick and choose which bits of data you use to build a chatbot. And once you've built a chatbot, if you decide that you actually want to add or remove data, you can very easily do that in your knowledge base just by deleting data or adding it back in. And whenever you do this, it will automatically update live, copy this code, and you can paste it into your header code on your website. You can get it set up on your website in a matter of minutes. So like I say, the website is linked down below. It's called chatiq.ai.